Hello everyone, welcome to another session of ideas. क्या आपने ये कहावत सुनी है? जैसा अन्न वैसा मन। आज के वीडियो में हम इसी पे चर्चा करेंगे कि कैसे अच्छा अन्न या भोजन हमें अच्छा तन और अच्छा मन प्रदान करता है। So let's explore the connection between good food and good health. The relationship between good physical health and good food has long been established, but the recent researches suggest that there is a direct connection with good food and mental health as well. Having a healthy mind and body has a direct connection with the consumption of food and also a positive outlook towards the life. How? Let's find out. Researchers suggest that people who have high consumption of fruits, vegetables, nuts, legumes and moderate consumption of poultry, eggs, dairy products, they tend to have reduced risk of depression. Jabki people who have high consumption of carbohydrate and sugar, they tend to have high risk of obesity and diabetes. But at times, as an individual, we are very confused. Which type of food we should eat? What is the nutritional value of that food? So let's try to understand. The nutritional value of the food can be broken down into nutrients, which are fats, carbohydrate, vitamins and minerals, fiber and protein. Let's try to understand them better. Fat is a concentrated source of energy which is made of fatty acid. Carbohydrate is a macronutrient that includes sugar, starches and fiber. Vitamins are complex compound that controls various body function. Minerals are inorganic elements that is found in body fluids, cells and tissues. Fiber are phytonutrients and it supports our overall health. Protein are the building blocks of human cells. Now, why do we need these nutrients? What is their role? Let's try to understand their role. Fat provides the energy which aids in the absorption of not only vitamin but many other nutrients. Carbohydrate is the primary energy source which is needed for breathing, thinking, exercising and even digesting food. So in a way, to live our life productively, we need energy. Vitamins and minerals collaborate with other nutrients to support body function, including energy production, bone development and cognitive functions. Fiber aids in digestion. It gives us a prolonged feeling of fullness. Also, it reduces the chances of developing stroke, heart diseases and type 2 diabetes. Protein, हमारी बॉडी में जितना भी प्रोटीन होता है उसका 50% जो है वो मसल्स के फॉर्म में होता है and also remaining portion is found in bone, cartilage and skin. Now let's take a look at the types of nutrients. Fat is of two types, unsaturated fat and saturated fat. Unsaturated fat को healthy fats भी कहते हैं because it helps to lower the blood cholesterol, whereas saturated fat is called unhealthy fat because it increases our blood cholesterol level. So in our diet we should have more of unsaturated fat and less of saturated fat. Carbohydrate is again of two types, simple carb and complex carb. Simple carb के कुछ example है glucose, fructose which is found in fruits and vegetables. Complex carb का एक example है starch which is present in cereals, millets and etc. Vitamins are of two types, fat soluble and water soluble. Vitamin A, D, E and K, these are fat soluble and they can be stored in the body for future use. Jabki vitamin B, C and folic acid are water soluble. Because it is water soluble, they can't be stored in the body for future use, which means we need to have these vitamins in our food daily. Fiber is again of two types, soluble fiber, insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolve in water and they have a potential to lower cholesterol and ease constipation. Insoluble fiber जो है, it helps to keep our intestine healthy. इनको insoluble इसलिए कहते हैं because they don't dissolve in water. Protein, they include all of the required amino acid in the proper amount. Animal protein is of higher caliber. And then another type of protein is plant protein, but that's a weaker type of protein. Now let's take a look at the example of these nutrients. अगर हम फैट की बात करें तो अनसैचुरेटेड फैट इज फाउंड इन प्लांट बेस्ड ऑयल, जैसे ऑलिव ऑयल है, एवोकाडोज, एग्स, नट्स, सीड एंड एक्सेट्रा. सिमिलरली saturated fats are found in butter, cheese, full cream, milk, etc. Simple carbs are found in carbonated sodas, packaged food, juices, candy, chocolate, etc. And complex carbs are found in fruits, veggies, legumes, pulses, grain, nuts, etc. Vitamins are found in dairy products, egg, fish, meat, cereal, soy product, etc. Minerals are found in dairy products, green leafy vegetable, soy products, etc. Fiber, soluble fiber is found in lentil, beans, barley, oat, flaxseed, guavas, apple, carrots, etc. And insoluble fiber is found in cereals, whole grain, millets, etc. Protein, as we discussed, there are two types of protein, animal protein and plant protein. तो जैसे नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, animal protein is found in milk, eggs, fish, poultry products. Plant protein is found in cereal, millets, tofu, pulses, legumes, etc. Now that we know what are nutrients, what is their nutritional value, so we are in a position to make a perfect plate. A perfect plate होता क्या है? Let's take a look. एक परफेक्ट प्लेट वो प्लेट है जिसमें हाफ ऑफ योर प्लेट कंटेन्स वेजिटेबल एंड फ्रूट्स. 1/4 of your plate should contain whole grains, millets and legumes. So this is for your vitamins and minerals, and this is mainly for your carbohydrate, energy source. Protein power, right? And that should contain 1/4 of your plate. So that's your entire plate. Half vegetables and fruit, 1/4 whole grains, millets and legume, and 1/4 of protein power. What are the other things we should look for? Control oil, salt and sugar intake, right? So we should have a watch of what we are eating. Be mindful while consuming outside food. बाहर का जब हम खाना खा रहे हैं, हमें देखना है कि उसमें बहुत ऑयली तो नहीं है, बहुत सॉल्ट तो नहीं है, हाँ, whether it is hygienic or not. So we should be very careful when we eat food outside. Drink plenty of water. That's very, very essential. And last but not the least, stay active. Now, task time. How your opinion about healthy food has been influenced by your learning from today's video. Give argument and support for your answer. So that is all for today. I will see you very soon with a new video. Till then, take care, eat healthy, stay healthy.